Hello friends, welcome to BT Market Talk Weekend Review. Last week, we saw 600 points rally in Nifty on account of our GDP data. This rally was neither expected by us nor by most of the market players. But as we said in last week's video, market never acts in obvious way. One more point to add to it. Market loves giving surprises. And now, market seems to be in strong mood of giving surprises to all. Hopefully, all of them on upside. Coming back to this week BT Market Talk Weekend Review, in which we are going to take a look at the comparative analysis of then Nifty levels with Nifty now, along with the index PE and volatility as well. We will also be looking at FII and DII buying selling figures, option chain data and important levels to watch for Nifty. So without wasting more time, let's start. Welcome to BudgeTree TV's BT Market Talk Weekend Review. Nifty closed at 17,324, registered strong weekly gains of around 620 points, starts at 3.6% and almost 1,370 points, that is around 8.7% of monthly gain. In current financial year, Nifty is up by 2,633 points, that is around 18%. Let's look back to the Nifty journey. 1 year back, on same day, Nifty was at 11,527, now at 17,324, is up by 5,796 points, that is 50%. 3 years back, it was at 11,582, is up by 5,742 points, that is around 50%. And 5 years back, it was at 8,810, now at 17,324, is up by 8,514 points, that is almost 97% up in last 5 years. Let's look at FII and DII data. On Friday, FII bought for around 770 crore and DII bought around 670 crore. In last week, FII turns buyers and bought for over rupees 6,800 crore, and since DII started selling, sold for about rupees 1,400 crore. In August, so far, FII bought for almost 1,800 crore stocks and DII sold for just 237 crores. Current financial year, FII still stands as net seller of around 43,843 crore and DII supporting the market by giving a strong buying hand of around 45,759 crore. Now moving to option chain data. PCR stands at 1.07, means market is in a indecisive phase trying to find its further direction. Considering top 5 open interest for both CE and PE option, chain data shows market trading range can be seen anywhere around 17,100 to 17,600 for coming week. To conclude, FIIs turning positive may keep taking market to a new highs. On downside, Nifty may take support near 17,050 to 17,100 levels in near week, whereas on upside it may witness resistance 17,400 to 17,500 levels. But seeing the overall momentum of market again, the violation of given level on upside cannot be ruled out. Markets continuously heading upward and may stay in same direction till the fear of fall get vanished from retailers' mind. After all, it's a game of fear and greed. Happy new week ahead. Thank you for watching BudgeTree TV. Let's meet on the next weekend with a new summary.